This case study illustrates how to assess customer-level profitability by calculating the true net revenue after accounting for both the cost of goods sold, COGS, and the financial impact of customer-specific discounts. In a single natural language request, the AI bridges the gap between sales totals and cost accounting, providing a surgical view of who the most valuable customers truly are. By automating the calculation of net margins across thousands of records, we eliminate the risk of manual spreadsheet errors and, more importantly, solve for the complexity of variable discounts. This allows a business to move beyond top-line revenue and focus on the efficiency truth, identifying where actual profit is generated. The account ID and customer name columns are the sovereign identifiers. BizQuery AI ensures that each account is treated as a unique entity, mapping financial data to specific customers without duplicating rows, even if they appear in multiple regional or product datasets. The net margin column is the primary financial result. It is calculated using this equation. By subtracting both the actual cost, operational COGS, and the dollar value of the discount percentage, financial COGS, BizQuery AI provides a net figure that represents the actual dollars remaining in the business after the sale. The profitability tier column is the strategic insight. BizQuery AI uses a distribution-based ranking logic, often using 33% quantiles, to segment the customer base into 3 equal-sized tiers: gold, silver, and bronze. The gold tier is the top 1/3 of customers by net margin. These represent your highest efficiency accounts that contribute most significantly to your bottom line. Silver is the middle 1/3. These are stable accounts that may have room for margin optimization, for example, reducing discounts or lowering delivery costs. Bronze is the bottom 1/3. These accounts have the lowest profit retention, often due to high actual costs or excessive discounting, and may require a strategic review of their pricing structure. A critical feature of BizQuery AI highlighted in this result is the integrity of the underlying join. In traditional systems, joining a customer table with an orders table can frequently trigger row explosion. This happens when a customer has multiple transactions and the system accidentally multiplies the costs or revenues across every row, leading to inflated and inaccurate totals. BizQuery AI's architecture is specifically designed to recognize the grain of the data. It ensures that every actual cost and order total is accounted for exactly once, providing a high-integrity profitability report that you can use for board-level decision-making without the fear of duplicated numbers.